Hey! Here are some awesome WhatsApp tricks you should know. These features will make messaging easier, faster, and more private. Let's get started. If you chat with certain people frequently, scrolling to find them can be annoying. That's why WhatsApp lets you pin chats to keep them at the top. Just long press a chat, tap the pin icon, and it'll stay at the top of your chat list, no matter how many new messages you get. You can pin up to 3 chats at a time, so your most important conversations are always easy to find. One of the most useful WhatsApp features is broadcast messages. If you need to send the same message to multiple people but don't want to create a group, this is the perfect solution. Just go to Chats, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, and select New Broadcast. Now, select the contacts you want to message, type your text, and send. The best part? Each person receives the message separately, and their replies come to you privately. No awkward group chats, just direct messages. Next up, let's talk about live location sharing. Sometimes, you need to let someone track your real-time location, maybe you're meeting a friend, or you just want to keep someone updated on your whereabouts. To do this, open a chat, tap the paperclip icon, select Location, and choose Share Live Location. You can set it to last for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Once shared, the person will see your movements in real time on the map. It's super handy for meetups or when you want to let family members know you're safe. Ever lost an important message in a sea of texts? That's where starring messages comes in. If there's a message you want to save for later, just long press it, then tap the star icon at the top. To find it later, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Starred Messages. Whether it's an address, a password, or an important note, you can quickly access it without scrolling endlessly. Now, here's a cool trick, adding contacts instantly with a QR code. Instead of manually typing someone's number, you can scan their WhatsApp QR code and add them in seconds. To do this, go to WhatsApp Settings, tap the QR code icon next to your name, and either show your code for others to scan or scan someone else's code. It's a fast and hassle-free way to add new contacts without mistakes. Let's move on to media visibility. Have you ever found WhatsApp images automatically cluttering your phone's gallery? You can stop that. To turn it off for all chats, go to Settings, tap Chats, then select Media Visibility. From there, simply toggle it off. This way, new images or videos sent to you won't automatically appear in your gallery. Speaking of privacy, WhatsApp has a View Once feature for photos and videos. If you want to send an image that disappears after being viewed, select your photo, tap the one icon before sending, and that's it. The recipient can open it only once, and after that, it disappears. They won't be able to save, forward, or re-watch it. Perfect for sending something temporary. Now, let's talk about image quality. Have you ever sent a photo on WhatsApp, only for it to turn blurry? That's because WhatsApp compresses images by default. But now, you can send HD images. When selecting a photo, tap the HD icon, choose HD quality, and send. This keeps your pictures sharp and clear. WhatsApp constantly adds new features, so checking for updates regularly ensures you don't miss out. These simple tricks can make messaging more convenient, private, and efficient. That's it for now. Let me know which trick you found the most useful.